don't even know what the name of this waterfall is. We're just driving. We just left our hotel this morning. We drove, what, 5 minutes to it. It's that close. We drove here. Big guy's only been awake about 15 minutes, right? What do you think of this waterfall? What's over here? Goats. Lots of goats. Many, many, many goats. There are goats everywhere out here. And they're checking us out like, what are these tourists doing? And there's another group of goats there. And then a whole bunch of goats there. Even some goats over there. And if we back up, look at this. Look at this terrain. There's a car. Not something you see very often out here. It's our car. Back to these falls.